Are you tired of always being called skinny? Do you want to bulk up healthily? Then you are on the right channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the 12 foods that skinny guys need to eat in order to gain muscle. Weight gain is a topic that is often heavily outweighed by what many view as the bigger affliction, obesity and weight loss. While the latter may have more associated health risks, the truth of the matter is, for skinny guys, putting on weight can be a colossal challenge that is both equally frustrating and troublesome. Diet. The key to most health and fitness goals is around 70% diet, and weight gain is no exception, especially for those trying to bulk up while contending with a hyperdrive metabolism. If your typical day of eating consists of a variety of processed food, frozen boxes, and a microwave, some very drastic changes will need to be made to your diet in order for you to successfully gain weight. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 1. Track your calorie intake. One of the main problems that skinny guys have is the tendency to overestimate the amount they actually eat. You probably don't eat as much as you preach, and without doing the math, you stand little chance of making any serious weight gains. Whip out the scales and spend a few days carefully tracking your calorie consumption. Once you have a clear idea of how much you currently eat, you can set about making the necessary changes required to pack on some size. Number 2. Eat 3,500 plus calories every day. Let's set the bar at 3,500 calories minimum per day. If you're young, have an overly active metabolism, or if you live an especially active lifestyle, you may need to aim significantly higher. Now, consuming 3,500 plus calories per day of junk food is fairly easy. Consuming equal amounts from high-quality food sources is not. It takes dedication, consistency, planning, and preparation. Depending on how thin you are, you may be required to eat every 2 to 3 hours, that's 6 to 10 meals a day. You may have to force yourself to eat even when you're not hungry and cram it down until you can't stomach another bite. Gluttony is not one of them, even deadly sins without reason. The good news is, the more you eat, the more likely your body is to adapt to the seismic portions of food, and it should get easier over time. Number 3. Carbs are your best friend. Carbohydrates are the most easily consumed macronutrient and should make up the majority of your calorie intake, around 60%. With the exception of refined sugar and processed food, anything and everything goes here. Think buckets of pasta, potatoes, bread, rice, oatmeal, cereals, you name it. You eat it, and eat it in abundance. Number 4. Protein. Despite what you may have heard and seen, consuming excessive amounts of protein is not required to gain weight. Unlike carbohydrates, any protein that your body can't use will then be excreted, not stored for later use. As a rule of thumb, eat around 2 to 3 grams of protein per kilo of body weight, and try to include a healthy serving of high-quality protein with every meal or snack. Number 5. Fat and calorie-dense foods. At 9 calories per gram, fat is by far the most calorie-dense of all the macronutrients. By including ample amounts of healthy fats and calorie-dense foods in your diet, you stand a far greater chance of hitting your 3,500 plus daily calorie requirement. Number 6. Drink full-fat milk. At around 60 calories per 100 milliliter, whole milk is a great way to accumulate additional calories to your diet. If you're lactose intolerant or prefer not to consume dairy, there are some great calorie-dense plant-based alternatives like almond and oat milk. Number 7. Eat lots of fruits and veggies. While eating lots of fruits and vegetables isn't necessarily associated with weight gain, they are packed full of all the vitamins and minerals you need to help fuel your training and lifestyle. Not only that, but they tend to be full of fiber, which will help move the abundance of food required to gain weight through your internal plumbing. 12 foods to eat for skinny guys to gain muscle. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs contain high-quality protein, healthy fats, and other important nutrients like B vitamins and choline. Proteins are made up of amino acids, and eggs contain large amounts of the amino acid leucine, which is particularly important for muscle gain. Also, B vitamins are critically important for a variety of processes in your body, including energy production. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is a great choice for muscle building and overall health. Each 3-ounce or 85-gram serving of salmon contains about 17 grams of protein, almost 2 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, and several important B vitamins. Omega-3 fatty acids play an important role in muscular health and may even increase muscle gain during exercise programs. Number 3. Chicken breast. There's a good reason why chicken breasts are considered a staple for gaining muscle. They are packed with protein, with each 3-ounce or 85-gram serving containing about 26 grams of high-quality protein. They also contain generous amounts of the B vitamins niacin and B6, which may be particularly important if you are active. These vitamins help your body function properly during the physical activity and exercise that's necessary for optimal muscle gain. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Dairy not only contains high-quality protein, but also a mixture of fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. Some research has shown that people experience increases in lean mass when they consume a combination of fast and slow-digesting dairy proteins. While Greek yogurt is a good snack anytime, eating it after a workout or before bed may be beneficial due to its mixture of fast and slow-digesting proteins. Number 5. Tuna. In addition to 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce or 85-gram serving, tuna contains high amounts of vitamin A and several B vitamins, including B12, niacin, and B6. These nutrients are important for optimal health, energy, and exercise performance. Additionally, tuna provides large amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, which may support muscle health. Number 6. Lean beef. Beef is packed with high-quality protein, B vitamins, minerals, and creatine. Some research has even shown that consuming lean red meat can increase the amount of lean mass gained with weight training. However, even when you're trying to gain muscle, it may be best to choose beef that supports muscle gain without providing too many extra calories. Number 7. Shrimp. Shrimp are almost pure protein. Each 3-ounce or 85-gram serving contains 18 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, and 0 carbs. While healthy fats and carbs are important in your overall diet, adding some shrimp is an easy way to get muscle-building protein without too many additional calories. Like many other animal proteins, shrimp contains a high amount of the amino acid leucine, which is necessary for optimal muscle growth. Number 8. Soybeans. Half a cup or 86 grams of cooked soybeans contains 14 grams of protein, healthy unsaturated fats, and several vitamins and minerals. Soybeans are a particularly good source of vitamin K, iron, and phosphorus. Iron is used to store and transport oxygen in your blood and muscles, and a deficiency can impair these functions. Number 9. Cottage cheese. 1 cup or 226 grams of low-fat cottage cheese packs 28 grams of protein, including a hearty dose of the important muscle-building amino acid leucine. Like other dairy products, cottage cheese can be purchased with varying fat contents. High-fat versions like creamed cottage cheese provide more calories. Choosing which type of cottage cheese is best simply depends on how many extra calories you want to add to your diet. Regardless of which type you choose, it's a great muscle-building snack. Number 10. Turkey breast. A 3-ounce or 85-gram serving of turkey breast contains around 25 grams of protein and almost no fat or carbs. Turkey is also a good source of the B vitamin niacin, which helps process fats and carbohydrates in your body. Having optimal levels of B vitamins could help you gain muscle over time by supporting your body's ability to exercise. Number 11. Tilapia. Although it doesn't have as many omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, tilapia is another protein-packed seafood item. A 3-ounce or 85-gram serving provides around 21 grams of protein, along with good amounts of vitamin B12 and selenium. Vitamin B12 is important for the health of your blood cells and nerves, which allows you to perform the exercise you need in order to gain muscle. Number 12. Beans. Many different varieties of beans can be part of a diet for lean muscle gain. Popular varieties such as black, pinto, and kidney beans contain around 15 grams of protein per cup, about 172 grams of cooked beans. What's more, they are excellent sources of fiber and B vitamins, in addition to being high in magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. Which of these 12 foods do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.